Have you ever been denied credit for something you desperately needed? A new car, maybe? Perhaps your dream apartment? It can be a frustrating experience, leaving you wondering, what went wrong with my credit score? That's where companies like Borrowell come in. They offer free credit monitoring and tools to help you understand and improve your credit health. But with so many players in the financial arena, a big question arises: who does Borrowell actually rely on for your credit score? The answer might surprise you. Borrowell doesn't operate as a credit bureau itself. Instead, they partner with a major credit bureau to provide you with that all-important credit score. But which bureau? There are actually two big ones in Canada, Equifax and TransUnion. Understanding the difference between these bureaus is key. They both collect information on your borrowing habits and financial history, but they use slightly different methods to calculate your credit score. This means your Equifax score might be a little higher or lower than your TransUnion score. So, which bureau does Borrowell use? Buckle up, because this is where things get interesting. Borrowell actually partnered with Equifax to provide you with your free credit score. There are a few reasons behind this choice. Firstly, Equifax boasts the title of Canada's largest credit bureau. Partnering with them allows Borrowell to offer a widely recognized and trusted credit score. It's like having a household name on your resume; it carries weight. Secondly, the Equifax Risk Score 2.0, the specific score Borrowell provides, is a popular choice among lenders and banks in Canada. When you apply for a loan or a credit card, there's a good chance the financial institution will be looking at your Equifax score. By giving you access to this score, Borrowell empowers you to understand how you appear to potential lenders. This transparency is crucial. It allows you to identify areas for improvement and take proactive steps to boost your credit health. Borrowell's platform offers a suite of tools to help you do just that. They provide credit monitoring, personalized tips, and even educational resources to guide you on your financial journey. However, it's important to remember that the Equifax score isn't the only game in town. While it's a valuable tool, you might also want to consider your TransUnion score. There are other services out there, like Credit Karma, that offer free access to your TransUnion score. Having a holistic view of both scores can give you a more comprehensive understanding of your creditworthiness. This way, you're not going in blind when it comes to applying for credit. The bottom line? Borrowell uses Equifax to deliver your free credit score. But remember, that's just one piece of the puzzle. Take advantage of all the resources available to you and gain control of your financial future. Knowledge is power, and when it comes to your credit score, Borrowell can be a great starting point. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.